Hey, I'm Ty with WTI, and this is my Certain Dry Everyday Clinical Deodorant. I would say this is probably the most unique and powerful deodorant I have ever tried. What I love about this deodorant is I will apply it, and all day I will not have to worry about sweating or odors, and I sweat a lot. I love that this deodorant is a nice consistency, so when I put it on, it doesn't feel sticky or wet, or it doesn't clump up. It's comfortable to wear all day. I also love the smell. It's in the scent Morning Fresh, and I love the ease of this solid application that I can just put on and just not have to worry about it. So I highly recommend this deodorant if you are a heavy sweater. This has been a fantastic deodorant for me, and I recommend it to all my friends. And that's my point of view.